Well, as COVID-19 cases continue to rise, all of a sudden going to the grocery store seems stressful. Now, if you're still using those reusable plastic or cloth grocery bags, it's more important now than ever to go ahead and get them clean. Consumer Reports has tips on how you can sanitize and clean them. Maybe you've never given it a second thought, but think about how often those reusable grocery bags get used. Now think about how often they get cleaned.
I guess now that think about that, especially with the virus stuff going around, definitely a thought, disinfected or something like that, yeah.
And coronavirus on the bag isn't the main thing you need to worry about.
Some people may not realize, but reusable bags can get pretty dirty. Bacteria and viruses like E. coli, salmonella, and norovirus can contaminate the bags, and that could make you sick.
The solution is simple. Clean your bags, but the technique depends on the type of bag, fabric, or plastic. But first, pick the right bag for what'll go inside.
I tend to use fabric bags for canned goods, fruits, and vegetables, and I use reusable plastic bags for items that can leak, like milk, meat, poultry, and frozen goods.
You can put the raw meat and poultry in the disposable plastic bags that are still available at grocery stores before you place them in your reusable bag. And keeping either type clean and germ-free is quick and easy.
For fabric bags, you can just toss them in the laundry. For the reusable plastic bags, wipe them down with a disinfecting wipe or spray, or by washing them in warm soapy water, preferably after each use, and especially when bringing meat home.
Finally, make sure to air dry reusable plastic bags before using them again. Well, and some stores have actually banned bringing in your own bags, but if you're at a store that still lets you bring in your own bags, Consumer Reports does recommend flipping them out. That way they'll last even longer. Bill?